呢位聽唔聽到？聽唔聽到啊？聽唔聽到？聽唔聽到？聽唔聽到？大家聽唔聽到？咁多謝大家咧，又翻到嚟咧，我哋呢個一齊睇古仔，一路學英文嘅節目啦。咁我哋咧有個好好聽嘅名嘅，咁嗰個名咧就係叫做嗱。點解我話個名好好聽？個名唔係我改。咁我哋個名咧就係叫做從從故事學語法，從語法學英文啊，唔係從故事學英文，從英文學語法，好似唔係，好似有學生字喎。從故事學英文，從故事學語法，從語法學生字。唉，咁上下啦，我唔記得啊個名。咁咧就我哋係一個咩嘅節目嚟嘅咧？我哋就係一個即係總之一個教英文嘅節目啦。咁我哋嘅出嘅 post、寫嘅文章，我哋嘅短片或者長片咧，呢一個講親都講成粒鐘嘅。咁係全部都係教英文㗎啦，係咪？咁我哋咧今晚就會同平時一樣啦，就一路同大家睇一個古仔啦。咁啊，一路就逐句講，咁啊逐句解，咁啊順便就教大家英文咁樣樣，係咪？咁咧如果你係啱啱先睇我哋冇幾耐嘅話咧，死入幾蚊針多嘢添。咁咧收睇我哋嘅方法咧就好簡單啦，就係去呢個 Facebook 啦，或者去 YouTube 啦，就揾我哋先啦。首先第一件事係咁，我哋個名咧，你見到熒光幕嗰度寫住咧就係 English Lesson for Freedom 啦。咁嗰個 Freedom 咧就唔使括號嘅，就咁 Freedom 咁就 OK 噶啦。咁理論上就 YouTube 同埋 Facebook 咧都揾到我哋嘅。咁如果揾到我哋嘅話咧，直播時間咧就係每晚嘅11點半啦。咁如果你係去 YouTube 睇嘅話咧，咁我哋 YouTube 咧就係冇直播得重播嘅啫。咁每晚我哋直播完之後咧，都會擺翻上去YouTube 嗰度，就方便大家睇重播嘅，就係咁。咁我哋嘅主台咧就係 Facebook 嚟嘅，咁啊 YouTube 就冇，即係 YouTube 冇咁多嘢睇嘅。如果淨係，因為我哋全部啲片都係擺上Facebook 先嘅，咁啊部分先至會過落去 YouTube 嗰度嘅啫，因為各種各樣嘅理由啦。咁係啦，就係咁啦。咁咧而家現場時間咧11點29分啦。通常咧我哋係31分或者32分左右咧，唔會31嘅，通常32、33乃至34啦。呢啲時間咧先至會開始嘅。因此如果你係想睇，即係你睇緊重播嘅話，咁你可以飛幾分鐘咁樣，你見到遊戲畫面你就知道我哋開始緊㗎啦，就係咁。咁啱啱話俾蚊針嘅，咁咧我其實從來咧咁大個人咧，我都係唔識拍蚊嘅。咁我細個嗰陣時，我係住元朗，我記得嗰陣時好多蚊嘅。咁咧我係唔識拍，因為我覺得好恐怖啊。因為我阿媽成日拍，我阿媽好叻嘅，一拍到成手都係血咧，咁我覺得好恐怖，好核突嘅。咁我唔識拍啦，跟住後尾就住咗即係搬咗出市區住啦，咁啊冇咁多蚊啦已經，咁好少有機會拍啦。咁咧最近咧就即係都唔係最近嘅，即係呢啲天氣咧一路就嚟夏天就變翻多啲蚊㗎啦嘛，係咪？咁我成日都係拍唔死啲蚊嘅，即係總之我係唔識拍啲蚊咧，一句講晒，咁啊先俾佢針咗嘢。咁咧我對付蚊嘅方法係點咧？因為我拍極都拍唔到嘛，即係我唔係拍唔到，我係唔敢拍，應該咁講。同埋我細個嗰陣時咧，即係嗰陣時細個，我諗3、4歲啦，嗰陣時93年、94年左右嗰啲時間啦。點解我咁記得93年、94年？因為我記得我93年仲係住緊喺元朗。咁咧嗰個電視咧，我係喺住元朗嗰陣時咧，即係93、94年嘅時間嚟嘅。咁啊電視又講咩就係咧？你拍嗰啲蚊嘅話咧，咁嗰啲血啊唔知點樣咧，就會令到你有愛滋病。咁我細個就因為嗰陣時嗰個20幾30年前咧，嗰啲咩愛滋病嗰啲係好恐怖噶嘛。即係好似沙士咁恐怖啊嘛！呢啲咁嘅樣嘅名詞係咁細個就好驚，哎呀愛滋病點樣啦？我其實唔知愛滋病係咩嚟㗎，我係知愛滋病係啲醫唔好嘅病嚟嘅啫。咁我好驚啊，所以我唔敢拍嘅，不嬲都係。咁啊，直到今日都學唔識啦。咁我後尾咧，我研究咗幾年前啦，研究到就係咧打蚊嘅方法就係點咧？我一見到隻蚊喺間房或者喺我身邊附近出現嘅時候咧，我就咧會揾條毛巾或者揾件舊嘅 T 恤啦，我唔着嘅 T 恤啦。咁樣我拎住喺手度，跟住一見到嗰隻蚊咧，我兜嘢揈落去。咁咧，因為嗰個範圍大啊，你明唔明啊？嗰件衫係好鬼大件噶嘛，即係相比一隻蚊係。咁通常我一嘢拍落去咧係實中嘅，即係一嘢好大力咁戳落係實中嘅。咁咧要筆咧就係打嘅時候咧就一拍咁啊拍中即係連埋即係拍揩埋埲牆嗰度啦。 咁就會拍死咗喺埲牆嗰度啦，連埋件衫，咁件衫就抌 Q 咗佢，我就揾條毛巾我抌咗佢。咁如果唔係揩中，即係如果唔係拍落埲牆嗰度咧，就咁拍落空氣度咧，咁都會揈暈隻蚊嘅。咁我就可以咧就係揾張紙巾咧，就慢慢就先執起嗰隻蚊嗰個屍體，跟住先抌咗佢。咁我就好開心嘅，隻蚊一死咗我就好開心。即係我係唔殺生嘅，我基本上係，即係我近乎係食齋嘅人嚟嘅，近乎呀。咁但係我係好驚，即係蚊我係一定必殺嘅，我係即刻一見到即殺。我平生最痛恨、最憎恨嘅生物就係蚊，因為好乞人憎，有時候針我。咁咧就頭先俾我懟冧咗隻蚊，但係我都輸咗一嘢，我都俾佢咬咗一下，可惜。希望佢唔好傳染到啲咩菌俾我啦，就係咁。咁咧，我哋咧而家現場又差唔多夠人啦，又32分啦，係咪？咁我哋不如開波啦，早啲啦，早幾廿秒啦。OK，我哋正常係33分開波嘅，而家32啦，好唔好啊？33啊，得啦，開始啦。
We're in the otter's lair.
lair 咧就係啲動物嗰啲巢穴啦。點解佢哋會話入咩啊？我哋喺個水獺啊，係咪嗰啲叫水獺定水獺啊？水獺嘅巢穴嗰度點解嘅？哦，唔係，我記得，因為琴日咧就講就係阿 Chloe 咧就無啦啦即係身痕就話想去游水，跟住阿 Max 就話唔好啦咁。咁而家估佢睇佢哋嘅時候應該入咗去泳池嗰度，係啊，應該係咁係水獺嘅巢穴，咁我諗即係泳池啦，可能佢哋啲學生啲代名詞嚟嘅。
The otter's lair. Big fucking deal. I want that heated water. We still have to play it cool.
Heated water 暖水啊。
That heated water.
咁啊，即係咁啊，入咗去巢穴嗰度咁啊點啊？總之我而家咧就嗱，我想要嗰啲暖水，即係我想喺泳池嗰度游暖水啊。咁我諗佢哋應該係室內泳池嚟嘅，所以有暖水嘅設備啦。
We still have to play it cool, okay? I still go to school here.
嗱，咁呢句解釋咗啦，就係咧嗱，阿 Max 就話啦 ，I still go to school here， 我仲翻緊呢間學校㗎。OK， 咁言下之咧，即係 Chloe 咧就冇再讀Blackwell 呢間學校㗎啦。咁 Chloe 係真係俾人踢咗出校㗎啦，已經。因為我哋琴日唔知嘛，我哋琴日睇嘅時候，我都話唔係好明就係到底阿 Chloe 係俾人踢咗出校啊，定係還是俾人停課咧？咁而家知啦，佢係俾人踢咗出校嘅。
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
咁咧 ，you can own this hellhole 啦。呢個 hellhole 就係呢個咁乞人憎嘅地方啦。因為 Chloe 俾人踢咗出校，咁 Chloe 自然就好憎呢個地方噶啦。咁啊，you can own this hellhole 啦，就係即係 own 就擁有啦，你知道係咪？咁咧呢度就唔係話你可以擁有呢個咁嘅鬼地方咧。呢度個意思就係話你可以即係你中意打直玩，你中意打橫玩得㗎，喺度俾你玩晒㗎啦。點解你可以玩晒呢間學校咧？就係 once you figure out your rewind power。即係當你有一日咧，你搞清楚你點樣去好好地咁樣運用你嗰個時光倒轉嘅能力嘅時候咧，間學校俾你玩晒㗎啦！你而家話知你玩泳池定玩校長房啊，冇所謂啦，咁樣意思。
Chloe's so psyched for girls' night out, so.
喂，咁多字嘅喂，咁咧so 聽多次佢讀啊，我驚我讀錯。
Chloe's so psyched for girls' night out.
Psychful， 咁咧嗰個字啦，就係即係好想咁解啊，好想，即係一般就唔會咁樣用嘅嗰個字就係，但係呢度嘅意思係好想啦。咁阿 Chloe 咧就好想咩？就係 girls night out。咁咧 girls night out 咧就即係啲女仔咧，可能禮拜5晚或者禮拜6晚夜晚成班一齊出去飲酒玩咧，就啲 girls night out。咁呢啲係鬼佬啲嘅，呢啲係好鬼佬嘅文化，因為香港人就未必個個都會咁做，因為我哋通常就諗就係，咁去酒吧就係唔好啊，就係壞啊，就係唔知點㗎啦。咁但係鬼佬冇呢啲嘢㗎，好正常㗎。即係逢禮拜5、禮拜6，甚至禮拜日晚夜晚去酒吧玩啊，去跳舞係好正常嘅社交活動嚟嘅，即係個個都會，係正常到一個咩嘅地步咧？就係正常到就係學校係會搞㗎。即係學校係會搞一晚就係譬如可能 復活節定係唔知乜嘢節咁。咁我哋今個禮拜五晚咧，我哋咧就一齊即係學校搞嘅活動嚟喎，係咁啊，老師啊同學啊就會一齊去酒吧嗰度咧就玩嘅喎，係真係會咁嘅，跳舞一齊係會咁嘅喎，係咁正常嘅社交活動嚟嘅喎。咁咧通常咧唔好意思，我講多少少題外話，如果唔係就好難解釋咩為之 girls night out，因為就咁講個字俾你聽冇意思啊。girls night out 就係成班女仔夜晚出去玩，OK。咁但係就咁講係冇意思嘅，因為有少少文化背景喺度。咁咧同埋即係啲鬼佬嗰啲文化好得意嘅。一到放假日子咧，5、6日晚啊，或者放假公眾假期日子咧，咁咧一到夜晚咧，同埋日頭咧係好唔同嘅喎。點樣唔同咧？就係嗱，我哋咧就冇 dress up 呢個概念，即係我覺得我哋比較冇呢個概念嘅，人哋係有嘅。咁 dress up 即係着靚啲咁解啦。咁因為啲着靚啲咧，就係因為去酒吧玩，通常係會着得靚啲嘅。即係你男嘅，你可能會着件恤衫啊；你女嘅會着條嗰啲連身裙啊咁樣樣。咁一般香港就冇分噶嘛，你日夜你都係咁着噶嘛。但係鬼佬就係一到夜晚就會轉噶，就會變身噶啦。咁 Girls Night Out 就係通常就係大家都着到靚靚嘅，一齊去酒吧一齊飲酒去玩傾偈咁啊，即 Girls Night Out 啦。咁當然可能會摩擦身體啦，有呢個意思喺度啦，絕對係。咁所以咧呢度係打咗個引號嘅，唔係真係去劈酒，唔係去摩擦身體，而係即係總之呢就係兩個女仔去玩咯。即係阿 Chloe 真係好想咧，我哋兩個女仔一齊去泳池玩啦。I better follow her evil plan。黐線，her plan 對唔住，讀錯咗。咁啊，唉，我都真係 evil，你知係邪惡啦。我都最好就係，係跟佢頭啦。
So I better follow her evil plan. Boys or girls?
咦嗱，呢度都有得意嘅喎，呢度得意嘅喎。嗱，佢嗰個字幕打得唔係喎，我都唔敢亂咁講喎。嗱，因為我直覺就話俾我聽咧 ，boys or girls 就有個 apostrophe 喺度嘅，因為係男仔嘅更衣室，女仔更衣室啊嘛。OK， 咁咧呢度字幕就冇嘅，但係你睇下後尾呢度遊戲嗰個撳掣嗰度，嗱呢度就有喎 boys locker room 或者 girls locker room，咁呢度就有翻個 apostrophe 喺度嘅。嗱，咁我都唔知啦。我唔知係字幕打錯咗啊，定係點？但係如果我打個字幕嘅話，我會加個 apostrophe 喺度嘅，因為咁樣係對於我嚟講係合理啲。但可能就咁樣 boys 都啱嘅，咁可能我唔識啦，我唔知啦。咁諗大家明啦，就係男仔嘅 locker room，即係總之更衣室嗰啲意思啦。男仔更衣室定女仔更衣室啊？去邊邊啊
Boys, of course.
咁梗係去男仔嗰度啦。
Figures. Perv. Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
咁啊，等我 check 下咧。阿 Chloe 就話咩啊 ？Let me check to see if the pool's heated。咁我就等我 check 下睇下個泳池啲水咧，即係嗰啲暖水，即係 if the pool's heated 就係總之嗰啲暖水開咗未啦？泳池嗰啲。
Pool's heated. I guess somebody forgot their Blackwell spirit. I guess I should consider this evolution.
哇！再撩啲一啲字喂 ，Dana 啦，我哋記得啦，佢有個同學叫 Dana 噶嘛，咁樣就 Dana，咁就 I know I'm an a-hole，咁樣我知道咧，我係個壞人啦，我係個衰人啦 ，a-hole 即係 a-hole 啦，總之我係個壞人啦，咁我都知我衰噶啦 ，but I still care about you。咁但係咧，我係雖然我個人好衰，但我都好關心你嘅。咁下款就係 love，跟住就係咪 Logan 啊嗰個名？咁我就係個 Logan 嘅男仔咧，就係俾阿 Dana 噶啦呢張咁嘅紙條。
Boys' locker room is right. Max, try to find the light for the pool. I want to see the sharks. Otters don't like sharks. They bite. So do I. Hit that light.
哇！好靚喎個泳池。
Yes, we get it. Otters.
哦，唔怪之得呢度叫水獺巢啦，呢、個泳池叫，因為咧佢間學校啊，咁間學校叫 Blackwell 啦，但係咧游水隊咧有個花名㗎，叫做呢個名啊，就係、水獺啊，佢哋個花名。
Yes, we get it. Otters.
Otters，咁就係 The Otters 就係、即係水獺就係指班同學仔啦，游水隊個花名可能係。
Time to do or dive, Max. Oh, yeah, baby. It feels like a hot tub. Too bad you made me feel like the queen of assholes because I wanted that cash stash.
唉，即係 too bad 啊！你就搞到我咧，就係而家係一個 the queen of assholes 啦，就係即係壞人嘅皇后啦，即係壞人嘅阿頭啦，或者咁講啦。唉，你搞到我而家咧覺得自己都成個壞人嘅阿頭咁樣樣啊！因為咧，我頭先咧真係好想要嗰啲錢啊！Stash 咧呢度，即係佢純粹可能口噏，佢會噏呢啲古靈精怪嘅字，正常就唔會講嘅。Cash 就 cash 啦。Stash 咧本身嗰個意思係啲咩咧？本身嘅意思係你，我哋好似見過㗎，咪阿 Chloe 咪爭嗰個金毛錢嘅。咁然之後咧，阿 Chloe 就話嗰個金毛咧就淨係關心嘅就係槍啦、錢啦，好似有講女人啦，同埋佢嘅 stash 咯。stash 咧就係你收埋咗嘅一啲嘢咁解啊，即係你收埋咗，咁你通常你收埋嘅嘢咪你收埋咗毒藥咯、毒品咯，可能係即係指嗰啲嘢。咁呢度嗰個 stash 咧就當然就係指校長櫃桶，即係校長房。咁校長有個櫃桶啦，校長個櫃桶嗰度收埋咗嗰啲唔知乜鬼嘢，嗰啲唔知乜嘢基金噶嘛，咁嗰度好多錢噶嘛，就指緊嗰嚿錢啦。
Stand there watching me like a zombie. Don't you dare! Come stop me, hippie. Okay, you asked for it. Cowabunga! Why, look, an otter in my water. Dun 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 dun. You are so obvious. And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you.
Rewind 咧就係、因為頭先佢哋講唔知咩鯊魚啦，我諗係之前啦。嗱，我哋係冇睇過嘅，如果我印象入邊，咁可能個遊戲嗰度咧曾經有一段係我哋冇玩嘅，就係、可能阿 Chloe 俾咗套鯊魚戲俾即係同鯊魚有關嘅戲俾阿 Max 睇啦。今日阿 Max 就好驚啦，可能係咁啦，我唔知啦，我哋估啦，而家先可以。咁咧，I'll just rewind。咁啊，你再咁樣搞我嘅話咧，搞到我咁驚嘅話咧，我就會倒帶翻去過去，然之後咧就點啊
？Revenge. I'll just rewind and harpoon you.
Harpoon 啊，我都爭好彩倒帶啫。Harpoon 咧就係、你有冇？即係咧，你有冇見人捉嗰啲好大條嗰啲魚啊？嗰啲鯊魚啊、鯨魚咧，咪有條好長嘅，好似我唔知點樣叫啊嗰啲嘢，好似支矛，好似支弓箭咁樣嘅，但係就勁長嘅，成條嘢都係金屬嚟嘅。如果你捉嗰啲好大條嘅魚，就揾嗰啲好恐怖嗰啲咁樣嘅，好長好似弓箭咁樣嘅嘢咧，就一嘢就叉落去，或者可能發炮嘅係射嘅，一撳掣就發炮，咁樣就射嗰支咁樣嘅啲箭咁樣嘢出去咧。咁嗰啲捕魚嘅嗰種咁樣嘅箭啦，我真係唔識叫，就叫harpoon。對唔住，我唔知叫咩，中文叫咩？有冇名叫？
Otter's Revenge. Cheater. Yeah, you wouldn't know about that.
咁人就話係咪魚槍？我諗係啩，我唔知嗰啲叫咩喎。即係點解成個人咁高嘅，好似支箭，好似支矛定或者似支箭咁，總之個頭係尖嘅，就攞嚟吉啲魚嘅，攞嚟捉呢啲大魚嘅嗰啲就叫harpoon咯。魚叉啊，係咪叫魚叉啊？應該係。多謝你哋，我真係唔識。
I wish Rachel was here.
即係你明明呢個係中文都唔，即係 咁咧，我想講多個題外話，唔好意思啊，因為今日咧好似好短嘅，我記得嗰個故仔係，因為呢一段喺個泳池度，呢一段好似好短。咁我講多少題外話就咧，咁啊話説有一次啦，咁有個學生好似去加拿大讀書，好似去加拿大讀書。咁咧，然之後佢又話：，阿 Sir 唔知咩讀唔慣啊啲嘢，唔知咩，以前係讀中文，而家讀英文咧讀唔慣啊，點咁。我話唔會唔慣嘅喎，因為我知佢讀嗰啲體育嗰啲嘢。咁體育嗰啲就唔知咩三頭，唔知咩二頭肌啊，唔知咩，我都唔識嗰啲名。即係我想講就係嗰啲嘢，好老實講，你用中文讀同埋同英文讀唔係好大分別嘅啫。即係嗰個點解我會咁講咧？就係因為我知佢個問題喺邊咧。佢個問題就係其實佢冇温書啫，佢唔係真係唔識，佢又唔係唔明，佢係只係冇温書啫。咁佢又亂咁喺度話：，讀唔明咧，嗰啲廢話，你冇温過書。咁點解我話個分別唔大咧？因為嗱，我一講啦，三頭肌係咩？你都唔知係咩噶嘛？可能你同我一樣，你都唔知咩叫三頭肌噶嘛？咁如果你同我講三頭肌嘅英文舉例係hellhole 嘅，即當然我唔識啦，我亂噏啦而家 OK。你話揾啲三頭肌係叫三頭肌又好，叫 hellhole 都好，根本就中文英文都唔會妨礙我理解嘅。少兩個字我都唔識，兩個字我都要望一望幅圖，哦，原來咧係嗰啲肌肉嘅唔知邊個位就係叫三頭肌啦。咁嗰個名係唔會影響我學習噶嘛？我講到底我都係望幅圖嘅啫嘛。即係我要知道嗰個肌肉叫咩名，我又望一望幅圖。咁佢叫 hellhole 又好，叫三頭肌都好，咁都係咁讀嘅啫。即係三頭肌呢個中文本身話唔到啲咩信息俾你聽噶嘛。咁同樣道理咧，多謝你啊，阿 Shane，你又阿 Shane 而家做咗我哋嗰個我哋嗰個智囊團咯。我成日有啲咩唔識嘅，即刻講到俾我聽。多謝你啊！我真係唔識咩叫三頭肌。即係譬如頭先嗰個捕魚嗰個工具咧，即係根本中文我都唔會識嘅呢啲嘢係，因為我唔係捉魚人嚟噶嘛，大佬我點知點叫啫嗰嚿嘢？有一次史蒂芬個老婆嚟我公司參觀，跟住我公司好多嗰啲大型嗰啲機器嘅，咁啊其中有部機器咧就係嗱咁你幻想下啦，有一張紙喺度 ，OK， 跟住咧。我一個金屬嘅帽就擺喺嗰張紙上邊嘅，咁嗰個帽有啲好似把刀咁鋒利嘅，嗰個頭係，咁啊成個帽當圓形啦，咁成個圓形嘅嘢吸落去，咁咧嗰個帽同埋嗰張紙接觸嘅嗰個部分咧就係嗰個刀口位嚟嘅，即係嗰個帽嘅刀口位嚟嘅。咁然之後咧，我部機嘅一撳掣就啪嚓，咁嗰部機就會一嘢好大力咁樣壓落嗰個帽嗰度，咁嗰個帽就會再壓落嗰張紙度啦，咁張紙就會印咗個圓形，即係我就會有個圓形圓框框好靚嘅一張紙出嚟啦。咁咧，我中文我都唔知我嗰部機叫咩，即係咔嚓拍落去嗰部機我都唔知叫乜。咁我中文我都唔知叫乜，咁咪冇，即係我想講就係唔知㗎，你唔接觸開嗰啲你唔知㗎。所以唔係咩都譯晒做英文，唔係咩都譯晒做中文就大晒嘅。冇乜所謂嘅，有陣時去到呢啲位係唔好意思，我今日講多咗題外話，我哋都係繼續啦。
She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other. We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related, and I want to find out why for Kate's sake.
I want to find out why for Kate's sake. For Kate's sake 啦，個意思就係為咗阿 Kate 啊。OK， 即係啦 ，for her sake 就為咗佢啦。因為佢，我就想揾出咧，就係即係呢啲問題嘅種種原因。
She didn't deserve to die. Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore. Thanks.
咁啊，chicken eat 就係通常就係講人好細膽啦。OK， 咁呢度就係總之你唔係廢柴嚟㗎啦，而家。即係我即係通常係話人哋細膽就係 chicken ut 啦，咁但係呢度我諗應該唔係話佢細膽嘅，總之呢度就係話係咯，我覺得你唔係垃圾咯，你而家咁叻，有超能力，你唔係垃圾。
Not so chicken shit anymore. Thanks, girlfriend. You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature, more like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
未必啦，佢都唔係好肯定啦，就係咁好可能咧，我都係咧 stumbling back and forth in time。咁我只係可能喺時間當中咧，就係即係來來回回啦， back and forth 就大家知啦，來來回回啦。Stumbling 咧就通常咧就係講即係你行路拐下就係 stumble 啦。OK， 可能我只係喺時間當中咧就係即係亂咁行啊，碰碰撞撞咁樣亂咁行。For what reason？ 唉，我都唔知咩原因。嗱，不如你答我啦。咁到底點解我要喺時間當中來來回回咁周圍走啊？你答我啦，阿 Chloe。即係你話俾我聽點解啦，我都唔知點解。咁咧，而 stumble 咧仲有少少個意思就係咧，你犯錯都叫 stumble 㗎。咁例如咧頭先咧，我咪話魚嗰個魚叉咪唔識嘅，咁我咪停咗喺度好耐嘅。我話咧嗰啲魚即係捉魚好咁，你揾啲弓箭咁嘅嘢，但係又唔係弓箭嚟嘅，成支都係鐵咁樣射落去，咁嗰個弓箭咧，總之咗嗰個吉魚嗰個即係好大支嗰支嘢，嗰個弓箭咧，即係我係咁喺度停咗喺呢個位嗰度噶嘛，我講唔到落去，我唔知點叫嗰樣嘢，咁我都呢一啲都叫 stumble 嘅，即係呢啲就係即係有少少唔知自己講緊乜啊，或者就係諗唔到自己想講乜啊，咁喺度係咁重複嗰個，即係咁即係我而家咁樣 up 都難 up 咁樣解釋呢個字，即係咁重複一段嘢，但係又講唔到落去嘅呢個咁樣嘅狀態，呢個咁樣嘅動作都叫 stumble，OK？點解我講晒兩個意思俾你聽？因為我想你望埋後邊嗰句。
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
咁咧 ，You didn't stumble when you saved me。咁咧呢度咧就攞咗 stumble 嗰個字咧，少少語帶相關嘅啦。原本阿 Max， 我相信阿 Max 嘅意思就係咧，嗱我俾你望翻前嗰句。嗱阿 Max 呢一句説話，呢一個 stumble 喺呢個位嘅意思，我覺得就係喺時間當中來來回回咁樣跌跌撞撞咁樣行咯。總之就係行啦，喺時間當中遊走咁解啦。OK， 好啦，呢一個 stumble 咧。就係指就係佢冇犯錯咯。You didn't stumble when you saved me。你救我嗰陣，你冇犯過錯啊，阿 Max 你好叻啊。OK， 即係頭先我話咪話我欲言又止又講唔到落去嘅，咁呢啲咪為之犯錯咯。OK，stumble 有少少犯錯嘅意思喺度。
Max. Thank God. But what if I had? What if you and Kate would both be dead? So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me you would have...
我覺得真係好好，劇本寫得好好啊！咁嗰個 stumble 嗰個位就已經先係語帶相關咗啦。跟住阿 Max 之前講就咧，佢係 in time 就係stumble back and forth 噶嘛，就喺時間當中來來回回咁樣行嚟行去啦。跟住就講咗由 K 就救唔到阿 K 就阿芝阿 Jolam 講啲嘢啦。跟住而家到阿 Chloe 講就係 It's time to start moving forward in time。咁唔好再跌跌撞撞，唔好再諗以前犯過嘅錯啦。我哋而家向前望啦，即係我覺得呢一度咁樣對比幾靚嘅。OK， 之前就係 stumble back and forth in time for I don't know for 唔知咩 reason 啦 ，for 啲我唔知嘅 reason 啦。但係而家阿 Chloe 就話咩理由都好 moving forward in time， 即係都係嗰個句式。OK， 但係個意思就係由跌跌撞撞變咗做向前望。
We're moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me you would have never discovered your power, right?
哇！淨係講 grammar 深到爆啦呢度。OK，we obviously connected。咁咧，我哋好明顯，我哋兩個人咧，我哋係之間係互相就係有聯繫㗎。OK，咁個聯繫咩先 ？Since without me， 由於咧就係如果冇咗我嘅話 ，you would have never discovered your power。OK，咁咧 you would have 啦，就係 would have discovered 啦。OK，have discovered 係個 perfect 啦，係咪 ？would 再加一個 perfect 就係原本會點嘅意思嘛，係咪？如果冇咗我嘅話，你原本根本就可能咧就發現唔到原來你有超能力嘅。
Would have never discovered your power, right? Absolutely. You make me feel like I know what I'm doing. And you make me feel like I have a reason for still being in Arcadia Bay. I hope so. Stop being so goddamn humble. You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known. More than Rachel Amber? Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay?
咁然之後，阿 Chloe 就話啦：喂，你唔好咁謙虛啦，你係我識嘅朋友當中咧最叻㗎啦，阿 Max。咁然之後咧，阿 Max 咧就話啦：我乜原來我仲叻過阿 Rachel Amber 嘅咩？咁跟住阿 Chloe 又答翻佢啦：I'm not her groupie。groupie 意思係我唔係佢 fans 啊，大佬，你唔好乜都覺得就係我當阿 Rachel 係最好先得㗎。
And I'm sure you have Blackwell bros all over you. Like Warren. Warren is nice. Nice? Ouch. That means friend zone. No, he
唔使解啦，呢啲係嘛？我哋廣東話都會講噶啦，我哋 friend 鬆一個人。
means friend zone. No, he's really cool. It was so sweet when he stood up to Nathan.
He stood up to Nathan 啦，好似我哋學過㗎係嘛？Stand up to 一個人啦，就係去抵抗一個人啦，去反擊一個人啦，還拖啦或者 OK。咁stand up to 即係 stood up to 啦，stood 就係過去式咁解啫。OK。
But I haven't told him about my rewind power. No worries. Once you get over yourself, you're gonna make the world bow.
呢個我哋都好似見過嘅喎。咁咧，once you get over yourself，咁咧 get over yourself 嘅話咧就係、即係點講嗱？如果我好唔開心，咁我經過一段時間冷靜啦，我咪開心翻嘅。OK， 或者我哋之前咧睇Pokemon 嗰啲古仔咧，我哋咪話卡拉咧，咁個媽媽咪死咗嘅。咁咧，當卡拉咧克服咗佢呢啲咁樣嘅傷痛啦，咁佢就會進化變成格拉啊嘛。咁咧呢個克服傷痛啊，或者我先我第一個例子係咩話？我唔開心，跟住到後尾冷靜完之後，我開心翻啦。OK， 即係呢一個過程，點樣講咧？即係由唔好變翻到正常啊，由唔好變翻做好啊！呢一個回復嘅過程啊，就係為之 get over yourself 啊。Once you get over yourself, you're going to make the world bow。咁包我哋都學過啦，就係令到個世界就係跌眼鏡，即係 O 嘴啦，令到個世界。
Yourself, you're gonna make the world bow. As long as you're there with me.
唉，有你喺度就得啦，總之就。
Look so sad. I'm never leaving you. Now I'm getting cold in here. Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, Otter versus Shark style.
yapping 咁啊，yapping 咧就係嗱呢度教緊你嘅。頭先佢哋喺度做咩啊？頭先佢哋本來係玩水噶嘛，玩下變咗頭先喺度傾偈傾咗勁耐啦。OK，because we yapping instead of attacking each other。咁 yapping 係咩意思啊？頭先佢哋做緊啲咩啊？吹水啊嘛，傾偈啊嘛。yapping 咪就係吹水傾偈咯。
I think I've had my pool experience for the year. Let's check. Let's call it a draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out. Gross. I feel like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay.
Chlorine 係咪即係嗰啲氯水？唔係氯水嗰啲叫咩？醫院嗰啲叫咩啊？你醫院消毒嗰啲叫……唉，是但啦，冇乜特別意思啊，唔好理啊呢個。
Swimming in Chlorine Bay. You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals. Thanks. You would know.
我漂白水啊，係漂白水。係啊。I feel like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay。咁咧，邊個講啊？咪 Chloe 講 ，Chloe 就話 gross 啊，哎呀，真係難頂啊！我而家就覺得咧，我好似咧啱咧去完嗰啲我又唔記得咗叫咩名啊？咩水喎？氯水啊！1:99消毒藥水，1:99嗰啲叫咩水？1:99嗰啲叫1:99嗰啲叫咩水啊？喂，提我得唔得？啱啱我噏咗個中文出嚟㗎，而家唔記得咗。漂白水係啊，咁咧 Chlorine Bay 咧就係一個漂白水嘅泳池咁解啦，個漂白水池咁解啦。唉，真係難頂啊！我而家覺得咧，好似啱啱去完咧，就係游漂白水池咁樣啊，游完。
Swimming in Chlorine Bay. You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals. Thanks. You would know. Hide! You're shitting me?
哇，咁恐怖！
kids? I could use my power, or just look for a hiding spot, or both.
Where are they? Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Better not try any Halloween pranks after today. I'm serious.
哇，好緊張咯，好
I
驚
heard
咯
something！over here. Who's here? I got a flashlight and a stick.
喂喂，慢啊個石橋，咁都揾唔到。勁驚咯！
We are so invisible. Let's bail.
Bail 啊，Let's go 啊！我哋見咗第1萬次啦，Bail。
Wait, turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out. Oh, this is bullshit. You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive.
Fugitive 啊，你係犯人啊，你係走犯啊，你係，你唔可以翻去你個宿舍房度啦。
My place tonight. You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives? So
Crash 啊，嗱，你估下 crash 點解啦 ？OK，嗱，第一句嗱，你明噶嘛？你唔可以翻宿舍啦，而家你係走犯嚟嘅。OK，你係學校嘅犯人嚟噶啦。咁就因此就點啊？就 crash at my place tonight。咁你就 my place 係我屋企啦。OK，咁你就 crash 喺我屋企度啦，今晚。咁即係咩意思啊？即係今晚嚟我屋企瞓咯，嚟我屋企過夜就係 crash at my place tonight 啦。
tonight. You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives so I'll be safe? Okay.
You want me to crash？ 嚇、你想我過夜喺邊度過夜啊 ？Where the Blackwell security officer lives？ 喺嗰個咧就係、學校嘅看更長，我嘅保安長住嗰個地方嗰度過夜，咁因此我就會 I'll be safe。OK， 我明，即係呢句係有少少搞笑，輕微少少想串啊 Chloe 啦，少少啦，唔係真係嘅。
Okay.
OK。
Into the car. Get in. Later, fuckers. Max, you rock. We are so fucking awesome. Yes, we so are.
好，咁就完咗我哋呢一段啦。咁我哋就係啦。哇！今日點解咁快嘅？咁都好嘅，咁唔使晚晚都講成粒鐘咁耐嘅。咁今集短啲啦，大家睇得開心啲啦，短啲好啲。平時講成粒鐘，我其實覺得有啲長，因為我原意係諗住講半個鐘嘅，但係我如意算盤一直咧都打唔響嘅，講真都講成粒鐘。咁今日半個鐘 OK 啊。咁我哋聽晚繼續啦，好唔好？聽晚繼續啦。咁我講輕微少少台務啦。咁咧，因為咧，我如果有陣時咧，我一個月咧總有4、5晚、5、6晚，冇咁多咧，3、4晚左右啦，最多5晚啦，我會踢波嘅。咁如果我踢波嘅日子咧，就唔定1至7都有機會踢波嘅。如果我踢波日子，我多數就趕唔到翻屋企，咁我預先我就會講就係幾時咧就嗰晚就冇直播咁。咁否則嘅話咧，就理論上1至7，即係放假都會繼續嘅。1至7咧就都會夜晚11點半咧，就喺我哋 Facebook 嗰度咧就有直播啦，俾翻我哋嗰個 logo 俾大家睇先。咁咧揾我哋嘅方法咧就係喺 Facebook 也好 YouTube 都好啦，就打我哋個名啦， 就係你喺熒光幕見到就係 English Lesson for Freedom 啦，就揾到我哋嘅。咁咧 Facebook 咧就每晚11點半直播 ，YouTube 就有重播嘅。應該咁講 ，YouTube 同埋 Facebook 都有重播睇嘅，但係 YouTube 你哋話就睇重播就睇得方便啲，係順暢啲嘛，係咪？咁我哋就做完直播，我哋就會花啲時間就去擺翻上網嘅。咁可能即刻擺，可能第二日先擺，咁唔知睇下幾時得閒啦。咁呢啲就台務上面嘅問題啦。OK，咁仲有一個可能性咧，就係嗰晚就係冇直播，就係我瞓着咗覺。我唔想嘅。我係有陣時我唔想，因為大無奈就係咁，大家都要工作。咁有陣時太早起身咧，或者就可能太攰，頂唔順，捱唔到去11點半咧，我係試過2次係瞓着咗嘅，唔小心咁樣樣。咁當然嗰啲係無心之失啦，否則我就一定，如果我唔做咧，我會同大家講聲嘅。其實仲有個可能性係唔做嘅，如果冇人睇咧，我就唔做。冇人睇嘅意思係即係冇讚好咁解。咁因此，如果大家中意睇啦，你睇緊直播好，睇緊重播都好啦。你中意睇咁咪讚個好啦，咁如果唔中意睇啊，覺得悶啊，咁唔好讚好 ，OK？咁你唔讚好咧係重要嘅，你唔讚好就俾我知道咧，就係個節目咧係時候收皮啦，OK？咁但係否則嘅話咧就咁讚好支持下啦，好唔好？咁我哋聽晚再見啦，各位。咁唔好，不如我哋再講多少少啦，而家大家都未走，走咗5條友添。咁咧咁我哋今晚咧都學咗一堆字嘅，咁而家好快咧，咁我哋就噏翻下啦 ，OK？咁就係layer 啦 ，layer 咧即係嗰啲動物嘅巢穴啦，或者即係虎穴啦。如果用廣東話去講就係 OK。咁咧然之後咧嗰個水獺啦就係 otter 就係水獺啦，就係佢哋間學校嘅嗰啲游泳隊人嗰啲名啦。咁 hellhole 啦有個乞人憎嘅地方啦，即係好討厭嘅鬼地方就 hellhole 啦。OK。咁chicken shit 就係 shit 啦，個粗口字啦。chicken shit 就係啲淆底人啦、淆底獸啦。如果你要譯做一個廣東話地道嘅翻譯嘅話，咁咧 stumble 啦兩個意思啦。第一個意思係跌跌撞撞啦，就係I stumble back and forth in time， 就係咧我喺時間當中咧就來來回回咁跌跌撞撞咁行嚟行去啊。咁咧 stumble 咗另外個意思咧就係犯錯啦。咁咧嗰隻犯錯咧就好似我頭先都試咗幾次嘅，就係我係咁喺度噏嗰個字，噏極我都噏唔到嗰個字係咩意思出嚟嘅。OK， 咁呢一種錯，即係口即係窒住呢啲講嘢窒住呢啲錯咧，就為之 stumble 啦講嘢。OK，咁咧然之後咧就阿 Max 咧就同阿Chloe 講啦，就話喂乜我原來咧仲叻過阿 Rachel 嘅咩咁樣。咁阿 Max 就即刻唔係阿 Max sorry，阿 Chloe 即刻話啦，喂 come on。I'm not her groupie， 我唔係佢 fans 啊！你唔好乜都話我中意先，你唔好乜都當我咧覺得佢最好先得㗎。OK， 咁 groupie 就 fans 啦。咁咧，然之後阿 Max 就話啦 ，It was so sweet when Warren stood up to Nathan。咁咧當咧阿 Warren 咧就 stood up to Nathan 啦，就係去還拖啦。或者係反抗阿 Nathan 嘅時候咧，還拖會合理啲嘅喺個語境底下，正常係解反抗啦。咁咧反抗啊還拖啊就係 stood up to 一個人啦 ，stand up to 一個人啊 ，sorry，stand up to 一個人啦。咁when you get 好似係咪阿 Max 講嘅，阿 Chloe 講嘅 ，when you get over yourself， 咁就 you will make the world bow 係啦。咁咧 when you get over yourself， 咁咧當你咧就係從可能阿 Kate 死咗，佢好唔開心咯。我諗佢可能個意思係咁啊。當你從痛苦當中咧，你走咗出嚟嘅時候咧 ，get over yourself 就從痛苦當中走咗出嚟啦，或者克服咗你嘅痛苦之後咧，咁你就會 make the world bow， 咁你就會令到個世界 bow 啦，令到個世界就 O 晒嘴，令到個世界震驚啦。OK， 咁點解我哋而家咁凍啊？因為我哋頭先掛住咧就係because we are yapping。咁啊 yapping 嘅意思就係我哋喺度吹水啦，掛住傾偈啦。OK， 咁啊最尾我哋學咗個字就係喂，咁今晚你點算好啊？你唔可以再留喺學校度噶咯喎，咁你就 crash at my place tonight。crash at my place 嗰個 crash 個字就嚟我屋企過夜咁解啦。咁我哋就學咗一堆字啦，嗱都係嘅。咁我係一個正常人嚟嘅啫，我又唔係特別聰明，記憶力又唔係特別好。咁頭先嗰啲我噏埋個對白俾你聽添，我都唔知點解可以。咁咪即係我想講，我唔知點解可以，我想講你都得㗎。即係你喚醒翻你嘅記憶，你諗下頭先嗰個古仔噏緊啲乜咧？ 咁你噏得翻啲對白出嚟㗎係。咁因此我成日都話就係即係生字唔使刻意背啊，咁樣我成句都噏到出嚟啦，我點會唔記得嗰個字嘅意思咧？真係就係咁，即係你睇咁多，我睇咁多，咁係咯，就係咁，好冇？咁我哋聽晚再見啦，拜拜，晚安，拜拜。